Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to add voiceover on TikTok videos. If you don't want to use the original video sound, keep in mind that TikTok allows you to add music or voiceover on your video. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Record a video or upload the one from your camera roll. Tap Next, one more time Next. Press on the voiceover icon. Now tap and hold the button in order to record your voice. Don't forget to turn off the original video sound by removing a checkmark. Hit Save and click on the arrow button. The only thing left to do is to post the video on your TikTok profile. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add voiceover on TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.